Skillznet Compensation Plan. Welcome to a world of endless possibilities. The Skillznet Compensation Plan is an exciting opportunity that rewards you for selling its services and sponsoring other participants who do the same. Individual results will vary based on individual commitment levels and sales skills. There are 7 different ways you can earn from Skillznet Compensation Plan. 1. Non-cash incentive. You will have access to some non-cash incentives, which will be explained later in this presentation. 2. Stage completion bonus. With the stage completion bonus, you earn a stage completion bonus as you complete each stage and move to higher ranks. 3. Referral bonus. You earn a referral bonus for each person that registers through your sponsor ID or referral link. 4. Leadership bonus. You receive leadership bonuses for building your team. 5. Level bonus. You earn level bonuses as you move from one stage to another. 6. Travel incentive. Here, you earn an all-expense-paid study leisure trip. 7. Global pool bonus. At the completion of the Black Diamond Ambassador stage, you qualify to start sharing from the company's quarterly percentage global pool bonus. Everyone joins with a $10 basic registration to access an array of our Skillznet skill-based products. Building your Skillznet business is optional, but highly rewarding if you decide to share this indispensable platform with others. Welcome to your world of endless possibilities. The Skillznet Compensation Plan starts with 3 feeder levels, and they are from feeder 1 to 3. This is where your journey of leverage begins. In feeder 1, which is also the starter rank, you earn $1.25 as level bonus for each person you introduce to the platform. You also earn a 62-cent referral bonus per person. For example, if you invite Tony and he subscribes to Skillznet with $10, you invite Mabel and Chris and they also subscribe with $10 each. You will earn a $1.25 level bonus from Tony, Mabel, and Chris. That's a total of $3.75. You also earn a referral bonus of 62 cents on each of them. That is a total of $1.85 of referral bonus, and a total of $5.60 earned from the feeder 1. In feeder 2, which also has the bronze rank, you earn $2.50 for each of your team member that joins you at bronze rank, making a total of $7.50. You also earn a step-out bonus of $1.25. That is a total of $8.75 earned from feeder 2. In feeder 3, which is also the silver rank, you earn $7.50 for each of your team members that joins you at silver rank, making a total of $22.50. You also earn a step-out bonus of $2.50. That is a total of $25 earned from feeder 3. At the completion of feeder 3, the system upgrades you to stage 1, which is the platinum executive rank. When you build your team beyond Tony, Mabel, and Chris, as you begin to have more people joining you, Skillznet upgrades your reward level. And here it gets even more interesting. The good thing about the Skillznet compensation plan is that everyone wins together. You need 12 people to join you at this level. You earn $17.50 for each of your team members that joins on this stage. That's a total of $210. You also earn a step-out bonus of $40. You earn a total of $250 at the Platinum Executive rank. The system automatically upgrades you to the next rank, which is the Emerald Executive rank. At the Emerald Executive rank, you earn $25 for each of your 12 team members that join you on this stage. That's a total of $300. You will also earn a step-out bonus of $75. At this stage, you also earn a non-cash incentive of a brand new laptop worth $625. Your total earning at the Emerald Executive rank is $1,000. At the completion of Emerald Executive rank, the system automatically upgrades you to the Ruby Executive rank. At the Ruby Executive rank, for each of your 12 team members that joins you at this stage. You earn $50 each, making a total of $600. You also earn a step-out bonus of $1,900. At this stage, you also earn a non-cash incentive of a car support bonus worth $8,700. Your total earning at the Ruby Executive rank is $11,250. At the completion of the Ruby Executive rank, the system automatically upgrades you to the Blue Diamond Ambassador rank. At the Blue Diamond Ambassador rank, for each of your 12 team members that join you at this stage, you earn $100 each, making a total of $1,200. Here you also earn an EduTour worth $5,000, a car worth $45,000, and a housing fund worth $50,000 as well. And here is the grand rank of them all, the Black Diamond Ambassador rank. It gets really interesting at this level. For each of your 12 team members that join you at this stage, you earn $175 on each of them, making a total of $2,100. Here you earn a step-out bonus of $112,500 and a housing fund worth $200,000. Your total earning at the Black Diamond Ambassador rank is $314,600. Again, as a Black Diamond Ambassador, you are positioned to partake in sharing from the company's quarterly percentage global pool bonus. Residual income from optional packages. An exciting feature about the Skillznet platform is the opportunity to earn an additional stream income from our optional packages while building your business. For anyone that buys any of the amazing optional packages, we also pay residual income up to 5 levels deep. If you refer anyone to purchase the SwingNet Intranet or DCXNet, you earn $5 each, while you earn $5 on the Fundamental Dashboard and $10 on Indices Premium. What are your dreams? Do you have a proven plan to achieve them? Skillznet is offering you an opportunity to acquire requisite skills combined with a proven compensation plan that guarantees the fulfillment of your dreams. Sign up now and get set to achieve your dreams. Be empowered.